Hello viewers, welcome to Askmein Tutorials. In this video, we are going to look on how to install and configure MongoDB on your Windows machine. So the first step is to go ahead and download the MongoDB from the official website, which is mongodb.com/download center. As you can see, there are various versions for MongoDB. By default, Community Server Edition is free and open source for a personal use. We are going to download the Community Server Editions for this tutorial. The second thing is we are going to download a latest version, which is 3.2.10, which is a stable release from MongoDB itself. As you can see in the drop down, the version which is mentioned is Windows Server 2008 R2. You don't have to worry about this. It's pretty much same. Even if your Windows machine is 7, 8.1 or 10, the same will work perfectly. If your OS is 32-bit, then you should go ahead and download Windows Vista 32-bit. So the current machine which I am installing is Windows 7 with 64-bit OS. So I'm going to download this particular version. Click on download MSI and your download should begin very shortly. This is over 101 MB. Save the file and then open the exe. Run the downloaded MongoDB MSI package by double clicking on it. Click OK. This should bring up the setup wizard of MongoDB. Follow the instructions. Click on the license agreement, click on next, select complete features and then click on install. This will take a minute. We'll come back once the installation will be finished. So the installation is successfully completed. We'll go ahead and click on finish button. Now to verify if MongoDB is installed properly, you can go to start button, click on computer, navigate to C drive, go to program files. Here you should find MongoDB folder. Click on it, go inside the server. You can see the version number 3.2 and you should find a folder called as bin. If you go inside the bin, this consists of all the exe. We have worried only about the two main exe files. One is mongo.exe and the other one is mongod.exe. MongoDB.exe is nothing but the Mongo database itself. So in order to run this particular thing, you have to first go to a command prompt and then run. Go to command prompt and then you have to log into the bin directory. Navigate to the folder path basically. So I'm going to copy the path, cd, paste the path. As you can see, I am in the root bin directory path. If I type MongoD here, it is throwing some error. Basically, it looks pretty scary if I look at the error. I'm not able to find much details on it. You don't have to panic. It's pretty simple. It says data directory c:\data/db was not found. In order to MongoDB to work properly, it needs a particular data directory where all the databases will be stored. So let's go ahead and create c:\data/db. So I'm navigating to Windows Explorer, C drive. As you can see, I don't have a data folder here. I'm going to create a data. Inside this, I'm going to create a DB. I'm going to run the command once again, mongod, click on enter. Click on all the things and click on allow access. If you see, now the Mongo has been run successfully and it is listening on the port 27017 as it states here. The next step would be to test if Mongo services are properly working. In order to do that, we have to go to command prompt once again and then navigate the path. See program files, MongoDB server 3.2 and bin directory. I'm going to copy this path, paste this. As I said, you have to run mongo.exe in order to type all the Mongo commands. Hit enter. This will bring up the Mongo terminal where you can write any of the MongoDB commands. To test if the whole MongoDB is working properly, I'm going to write a simple command which is db and I'm hitting enter. By default, the active database will be selected as a test database, and I can see that when I type the command db, it says the active database is a test database. This pretty sure confirms that the MongoDB is installed successfully and it is working properly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.